Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are all doing very well. As we know, we are all up against a crisis. But if we look at history, women willpower has always come out victorious. Because we have this unique gift of adopting and more importantly, learning. I am proud as a nation doing our best. But we don't want your learning stop. That's why we are trying to teach you by this process. So stay safe and keep learning. In our previous lesson, we have learned about nouns. Let us find out more about them. There are many types of nouns. First, let us find about common nouns and proper nouns. I am telling you 3 sentences. Flake has a friend called Roy. Edentown is a beautiful city and the Sunset Palace is an old monument. In these 3 sentences, there are many nouns like Flake, friend, Roy, Edentown, city, Sunset Palace, monument. Now, friend, city and monument are nouns. And Flake, Roy, Edentown, Sunset Palace are also nouns, but they are different. Let's see how. Now look at the first sentence. Flake has a friend called Roy. The noun friend does not refer to a particular friend. It refers to the all persons of the same kinds of friends in general. Similarly, the nouns city and monument do not refer to a particular city or a particular monument. The word city may refer to a place anywhere in the world, and the word monument could be of any type. Such nouns like friend, city and monument are known as common nouns, as they do not refer to a particular person, place or thing. So, common noun is a general names of the same kind of person, places or things. Therefore, remember 3 points. First, common nouns are spelled in small letters. Common nouns do not refer to any particular persons, places or things. And always remember that common nouns do not begin with a capital letter. Now let's learn more about the other types of nouns. In the first sentence, Flake and Roy are nouns. But these are the special names of 2 particular persons. In the second sentence, Edentown is a noun, but it is a name of particular city. In the third sentence, Sunset Palace is a noun, but it is a name of a particular monument. Such nouns like Flake, Roy, Edentown and Sunset Palace that refer to a particular person, place or thing are known as proper nouns. Proper noun is a special name of particular kinds of persons, places or things. Remember, proper nouns always begin with a capital letter, even they are not at the start of a sentence. Proper nouns do not refer to any general kind of persons, places or things. Proper nouns can be made up of more than one word, like Sunset Palace is made of 2 words, or Lina Sen. Now I am giving you some examples of proper nouns. Names of people are proper nouns. Names of people may be made up of 2 or more words, like Tilak Kumar Singh, P.U. Chakraborty, etc. Places, if we say continents, countries, states, cities, villages, lakes, rivers, monuments, they all have their particular names, like Asia, Ratanpur, India, Dal Lake, etc. Names of the days of a week and the names of the months of a year also proper nouns. Sunday, Monday, January, February are proper nouns. Names of books and novels are also proper nouns. Now look at your book. Now look at your book, page number 17. Number A. Write down at least 6 other common nouns. Look around you. There are many, you can find many nouns. So, write down their names. Draw or paste a picture of your favorite animal. Then write down its common name. You can draw or paste a picture and find the names of the common nouns. Now, turn over the page. I have already told you about proper noun, that a proper noun names a special person, place or thing. Number C, write the names of your favorite people. Any 5. Remember to spell them correctly. You can write the names of your favorite people here. Paste a photograph of your best friend here and then write his or her name under the photograph. You can paste a photograph here and write the name under here. Let us read this story. Raju sells balloons in the park. His balloons are of various colors, red, blue, green and many more. Karan wants some balloons for his birthday party. He tells his father, I want to go to Uran Park and buy balloons from Raju. Karan's little sister, Meena, claps her hands. She loves balloons. Karan's father says, I have to go to Gangadin shoe shop and also to the market. So we will go by car. I shall drive by Nehru Road and then we can reach the park easily. The little boy and girl are very happy. Underline all the nouns in this story. Okay? Write the special names in the box called proper and write the general names in the box called common. So, Raju sells balloons in the park. Raju is a proper noun. It is the name of a particular person and sells balloons in the park. Balloons and the park are common nouns. His balloons are of various colors, red, blue, green and many more. Karan wants some balloons for his birthday party. He tells his father. Father is common noun. I want to go to Uran Park and buy balloons from Raju. Look, Uran Park and Raju. These are proper nouns. The name Uran Park, U and P are in capital. Always remember, proper noun starts with capital letters. Okay? Now you can finish your own. Those nouns are generally called common nouns. For example, child, puppy, school, bag. All those nouns that are special are called proper nouns. So always remember these things like Annam, Patches, St. Thomas School, India, etc. Now look at number F. Make a list of 5 common nouns. You may list the things that you can find in the classroom. Now write down the special names of 5 people or places. So these must be proper nouns. You can write the special names of 5 people and places here. Turn over the page. Page number 20. Number 8. Color the proper nouns blue and the common nouns green. Ruchi, pen, train, market, milk, ratan, art. There are many nouns. Okay? You have to find out the common nouns and the proper nouns. Like Ruchi is a proper noun. So, proper nouns, box, colored it with blue and the pen is common nouns. So, colored it with green. Like this, you have to finish the box. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. Write C if it is a common noun and P if it is a proper noun. There may be more than one noun in each sentence. One has been done for you. Nitu sings very well. Nitu is a proper noun. So, P. The boys are playing. The boys are noun and it is common noun. So, write C. Like this, you can finish the rest. So, this is all for today. Today, we have learned about common nouns and proper nouns. Stay at your home and keep learning.